In 2018, we became the state's first supplier of renewable natural gas in partnership with DMT and the City and County of Honolulu. It is a new local resource of gas energy for our customers, and we're able to use a waste source of gas and turn it into usable energy.
We have more than 30 years of experience in biogas upgrading and biogas desulfurization. Hawaii Gas can green their gas and the gas grid by about 3%. So with our technology, our system can replace up to the equivalent to about 400 cars that you can remove from the road. And we've seen systems from us to 98–99% uptime.
You can produce up to about 800,000 therms per year. DMT's service department is wonderful. We have a maintenance agreement with them and they respond 24/7. Hawaii Gas is very excited to have won this award with DMT as far as the project of the year, and we're very happy to share it with DMT.